Hi, in this session we'll be continuing to add even more content to our test page. Remember, it's usually quicker if you're planning on creating several items to use the create children method that we covered in a previous video. However, in this video I'll show you how to create individual items manually, and in this case we'll be creating sections. Sections are basic content blocks that allow us to add further text and images to our page. To find these, we'll go to Content, Sections, and then Add New. You'll notice that the attributes that we have mirror almost exactly what we have on our page to begin with. That's because this is essentially a continuation of those same content blocks, allowing us to stack more and more on top of each other. The name field in this case is just an internal reference for the web wizard, so I'm just going to call this test section. Title allows us to put an optional title at the top of our section. If you want a subheading on your page, this is how you achieve that. If you just want your paragraphs to flow seamlessly into each other, leave this field blank. We then have the option to apply an image. We can choose between a side image and a main image. These function mostly the same. Side images will dedicate a column for your image to display in separate from the text, whereas the main image will allow the text to wrap around the image, and you can also apply it in the center if you wish. So choose whichever image type you think is suitable and press edit. From here we will choose our image. Again, we have the option to choose a size for this and whereabouts on the page you want it to display. I'm going to choose right for this option. Again, we have a body text editor. Enter your text here and press save. And finally, we just need to give this section a location, so we can scroll down to the bottom, choose our item type, search for the item we wish to locate it to, in this case test page, and press add location. If we now refresh our page, we'll see we've added another section in here.